Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. In our previous video, I have shown you that how we'll calculate a 10-inch brick wall estimation, and we have found the number of brick for 10-inch wall, requirement of cement and sand. So in this video, I'll show you for 5-inch brick wall calculation. And if you're new here, you can watch the previous video. So let's start. Here is our data as previous brick wall calculation for 5-inch wall. Previous video I have shown you for 10-inch wall, and in this video I'll show you about 5-inch wall, brick wall. So here our wall thickness is T equal to 5 inch, and height from that point to that point, I mean floor to floor height. And you have to consider sometime you will found some distance of beam here. You have to minus the beam distance from total height. So I have considered that height of the wall is 10 feet and length of the wall is 100 feet from that point to that point. We can consider that, suppose I can consider that our length is 50 feet and our height is 8.5 feet or 9 feet. 9 feet. Okay. So after that wall value, height of the wall, length of the wall, here is the length, here is the height. If we try to calculate total area of our wall, so it will be A equal to H into L. It's a easy calculation, you all know about that. So we'll find out 450 square feet. After that, if we multiply that area with our thickness, wall thickness, then we'll find out that value. Here H are in feet, L are in feet, and T are in inch. So our that line will be like that: 9 feet into 50 feet into 5 divided by 12, like that. After that we found our that value. So here we have found our total volume of brick work. Here is a total volume of brick work. Now here we can see that brick size in our country, standard brick size is 10 inch into 5 inch into 3 inch. This is with mortar, not only brick. This brick size is with mortar, and our standard size is 9.5, 4.5 and 2.75. This is without mortar, but here we'll calculate for with mortar. So if we find out that area, I mean volume, so here 10 into 10 divided by 12 into 5 divided by 12 into 3 divided by 12. After that we have found our that value. This is the volume of one brick with mortar, 0.086 here, 0.086 8056 CFT. So after that, here now we'll calculate number of brick work. I mean number of brick required. So here we can see that if we divide total volume of the wall by one brick volume, so we'll find out our total number of brick. So this is V by VV. Here is the VV, volume of brick, one brick, and V is the total volume of brick. So if we divide that value by that value, then we'll find out our that value. It is the number of brick required. So we have found our that value. After that we'll go for sand and cement calculation. Suppose consider our sand cement ratio is 1:5. Sorry, cement sand ratio is 1:5. 1:5. That is our ratio. This is for cement, this is for sand. So if you go down, and our mortar requirement 35% is dry mortar, 35% of total volume of brick work. If you consider 35% of total volume of brick work, we'll find out our dry mortar. And some country it's considered 40% of total brick work. It's up to you, you can change that as your requirement. And here after that we'll find our requirement of mortar volume, VM. Volume of mortar is V, I mean total volume V multiplied by 35%, 0.35. So our total volume is 65.625 cubic feet. After that we'll calculate cement. Here volume of mortar into ratio of cement, 1, here 1, and here is the value of A plus B, total ratio. You all know that about this calculation, it's very simple calculation. So we have found our requirement of cement here. It's 10.938 CFT. After that, if we go here, cement in bag, so if we divide total volume 10.938, here 10.938 by 1.25, then we'll find our number of bag required in our calculation or our brickwork. And after that, because we know that 50 kg cement equal to 1.25 CFT. You all know that. So after that we'll go for sand. Here for sand, total volume of mortar, dry mortar into ratio of sand, 5, here 5, and A plus B, I mean summation of total ratio, it's 6, 5 on 6, so we'll find out that value. So in this way we can find out our brick, sand and cement for a brick work. And if you think that it is clear to you, just press the like button so that I can understand that is clear to you and also helpful for you. And if you think that they have any confusion or any problem, just comment me below. I will try to respond as soon as possible, or you can mail me. The link are given in description. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next.